This high-pressure, high-volume, explosion-proof ventilation fan from Larson Electronics operates on 230 volts through 480 volts AC voltage and features a 24-inch diameter spark-resistant cast aluminum blade that moves air at a rate of up to 6,860 cubic feet per minute for superior ventilation and air movement. The EPF HPSM series fan is powered by a fully enclosed 1-horsepower motor and is rated Class 1, Group D, and Class 2 Groups F and G for hazardous environments. Visit larsonelectronics.com to learn more.